and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Isa, and today, oh, it's that time. I finally got my World of Wizardry box. It is May 5th, and it's a little late because this is April's box, but that's okay. We're gonna open her up and see what goodies she has inside because I'm very, very excited. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so, ooh, my little favorite bit. We're just gonna grab the little tab over here and, oh, that's very satisfying. All right, I'm gonna open her up for you guys. We see the lovely Slytherin green paper. Oh, yes, 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 yes. And I'm going to kind of show you guys first. All right, turn around. Ooh, oh, there's a lot. Let's start off with what I see first, which is the wearable. All right, we'll show you guys first. Ooh, it's the Death Eater's mask. That's actually kind of cool. I actually really like that. Ooh, I like it, I like it. I do love the quality of these shirts. They're so nice, and I do wear them out and about and as pajamas everywhere. This one's definitely very dark arts kind of thing, but that's okay. As a Slytherin house, we like to, you know, test out those dark waters. But yeah, that's really, really cute. That back of there. And first thing that's calling my name is this little purple box. Madam's Robes for All Occasions. Okay. Don't want to break the box. The box is very cute. Oh my god, what is this? No way! It's a tie! Oh my goodness! That is so cute. I'm gonna take it out so you guys can properly see the design on it. It's little Harry Potter glasses with a little scar on the tie. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Oh man. My husband's gonna hate me because if he ever has to wear a tie for like any occasion anytime soon, I'm gonna be like, can you please wear this tie? I mean, I'm just gonna have to find a reason to wear a tie myself. I mean, why not? I did go to Catholic school, so I did have to wear a tie. Oh my goodness, that is so cool. I really, really like that. I'm a big fan of ties. Oh my goodness, and the fact that it has a little box, so she, you know, kept nice and safe. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, let's see, what else, what else? Ooh, okay. Quality supplies. All right, comes in a little box. She's jingly, and she's got tape, so I'm gonna have to break it. Oh, I'm one of those people that don't like to break nice tissue paper, but that's just how it's gonna be. Oh my! It's a keychain! I love Harry Potter keychains. All right, I'm gonna take it out of its little case, that's okay. And look how pretty that is. It looks like a little Nimbus 2000. Oh my goodness, that is really, really cute. I currently have a Harry Potter keychain. It's the Triwizard Cup. Yeah, cup? Yes, the Triwizard Cup. And I got it from my old boss's son. It's still on my case and I love it oh so much. Hi Billy, if you're watching. So this is really, really cute. Oh my goodness. I will definitely add it to my chain. It is very well made. It's super like kind of heavy, which I kind of really like. I like a good quality keychain because then I know it's not gonna get broken. Because that's a thing with me. I am a little bit of a hazard. So, you know, moving along. We've got another little box from Madam's Robes for All Occasions. I can't readily tell the theme, but I mean, I like everything. Oh my gosh, it's a tie clip. It's a tie clip with a green lightning bolt. How cute is that? Well, my husband is a Gryffindor, so I don't know how much he would appreciate this, but I will find a reason for this tie clip because it is extremely cute and I like it a lot. That is so adorable. Oh, these little things are so dainty and so cute. And, oh, All right. It looks, ooh, it says the House of Black. And it looks like it's gonna be, oh, wow, good catch on my part. It looks like it's gonna be a wand. Is it gonna be Sirius's wand? Or just a long tube, I don't know. Well wrapped. Oh my goodness. Oh, I really like this. Look how pretty. I don't know if you can see the detail, but that is a beautiful, beautiful wand. Ah, I love it. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna have to place this somewhere very nicely so that you can always see it. Or something, I don't know. I really don't want it to fall. No, we're just gonna place her right next to Draco. He'll appreciate it, you know, family and all. And then, what else do we have? The little box. Just close that up, and I'll put it up here too. All right. Ooh. Okay, so we have a giant thing. Animal house placemats. Is this placemats? Like for your table? Oh, I don't want to rip it. I hope this isn't like important, whatever this is. Oh, okay, I can just tape it off with its little tube. Ooh, wow. So we've got Ravenclaw, the wonderful House of Slytherin, Hufflepuff, and Gryffindor. I like it, I like it. Oh, and they're very nice. They seem like very good quality. Not that I think that I put them on my kitchen table, but I can definitely find a home for them where you can see them all nicely. And we got more recipes. Oh my goodness. I love these. I have not tried any of the recipes yet, but I really, really want to. Oh my goodness. So we have, we have Queenie's apple strudel, and we've got a Monster Book cake. Oh my God, these are super, super, super cute. I love this because I actually have a recipe box. So, I mean, this is a wonderful addition to my recipe box. I cannot wait to give this a try, honestly. Like, this is going to be so much fun. Who knows, maybe we'll do some baking together. And then we have, we have quite a bit of things in here. Oh, we have H is for Hagrid. And this is such a beautiful little piece of art. I love this. I don't have actually any Harry Potter art, surprisingly. My husband reels me in when it comes to Harry Potter things, because I would go crazy. Oh yeah, I love that. That's so cute. And I think this is the last thing in here. And it is another print, and it says wanted extremely dangerous. So we have another little piece of artwork there. I like that. Oh, wait a minute. This is McCusa. This is for America. You know, my country. But that's really, really cool. I like that. And that is the last thing in our box. So now to see how much everything cost. So we're just gonna put this box down here. All right, let's start off with the Wizarding tie. That costs $9.99. And then we have the Wizarding tie clip, which you do get it according to your house. It's $5.99. And then we have a signed artist print, which H is for Hagrid, is $6.99. And then we get this month's cook recipes. So we get them monthly, I'm not entirely sure. And then the magic wand is $9.99. And the house placemats are $9.99. Then we have the wanted print, which is $4.99. The metal broomstick keyring, which I very much liked, which is $5.99. And then this month's t-shirt is $9.99. I think my favorite thing from this box, to be honest, I did like the shirt, but I think my favorite thing was the Wizarding tie. I don't wear ties, but I really, really liked it. I just thought it was the cutest thing ever. Well, that is all that I have for you guys. If you like this video and you want to see more Harry Potter videos, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to become part of our little family and to click that little bell notification so that you know every time I upload. You gotta click the bell to know when I upload, because that makes me very happy. And I'll be here every Saturday and sometimes on Wednesdays. And as always, I love you guys very, very much. Until next time, bye!